Hey guys, what's up? It's Rebecca, and today, as you can tell behind me, it's like plain white because it's snowing really hard. So today I thought I would do a time-lapse video of all the snow. So sorry I didn't post yesterday, and also I'd like to give credit to the Gaming Kid M Productions. Go check him out. He's awesome. I'll leave a link in the description. I got this idea from him. So yeah, I'm just gonna prop my phone up doing a time-lapse for like the next 2 or 3 hours, hopefully somewhere around there. And so I'll show you the snow, how it is right now. This is the snow. It's been snowing since around 8 last night, and right now it's like 10 in the morning, 10 a.m. So that is how it looks right now. I don't know how good of a time it's going to be for the next few hours, but let's try it and see what happens. Okay guys, so if you could tell, there's like screen on my window, and I think that's not going to turn out too well, especially for how it's showing on my phone. So I think I'm just going to bring it downstairs to another window. So let's go. Okay guys, so it's been about around 3-4 hours later. Each one at least ran for at least like an hour and a half to 2 hours. So it didn't turn out as well as I wanted it to, because I really wanted to be able to show like all the snow that was just pouring down. And I wanted to show like the snow level rising, but it didn't, and I don't know really how slow it was rising. But I hope you guys still enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, as it is greatly appreciated. Bye!